Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button before we get started. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways to switch up a very basic low bun hairstyle. I don't know about you, but I am so guilty of wearing my hair in a bun all the time. I probably wear my hair in a bun 2 to 3 times a week out of pure laziness, sometimes out of just convenience. If you do wear your hair in a bun quite often, these styles are going to be perfect for you to be able to wear your bun as much as you want, but make it look different every single time. So let's just get into it. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you is just going to be a very effortless looking loose curly bun. I'm going to take advantage of the fact that my curls look pretty good right now. I did go ahead and refresh the front of my hair because I know I want some pieces to stay out. So what I'm going to do first is just take out some pieces here. And then I think I'll take out some pieces by my ears, and I'll refresh some of these pieces as well. If you don't have curly hair, I'm sorry, I'm just kidding, but I don't know, you can probably just use like a curling wand, or you can just rock your straight hair, your wavy hair, and get the same effect. I'm gonna leave these pieces out for now. I think I have too much here. And then I'm gonna secure my hair loosely at the nape of my neck. And since I want this bun to look very loose, I'm not gonna create a ponytail first and then do the bun. I'm just gonna wrap my hair into a bun. So if you don't have long hair, maybe you do have to do the ponytail first, but this is what I'm gonna do. And then at this point, you could even use like a really cute scrunchie or something to put on top. I'm just gonna use a regular black hair tie. And this one is pretty like non-stretchy, so I'm just gonna do it one time on top. It's gonna kind of like spread it out a little bit. It's honestly not secure at all, but instead of putting another hair tie on top, because I don't want it to look super condensed, I'm just gonna use some bobby pins to hold it in place. And then if you can like pull out some curls without completely ruining the bun, that would make it look even better. So that is as simple as it gets for bun number 1. We're already done. That was super quick, a super easy and effortless look. I feel like it looks super casual and laid back, but at the same time you can throw on a ball gown and it'll look just as good. So easy bun number 1. Now let's move on to number 2. This next one's going to be a little bit more time consuming. I'm going to go ahead and do a middle part for this one. So my middle part is done, and this one's going to be a little bit more work. I am going to be doing 2 braids, so if you don't know how to braid, don't run away yet, because this is not going to be like cornrows or like French braids. No type of braid that is like connected to your scalp, but instead it's going to be like a hanging braid, if that makes sense. You guys will see here in a second. So I'm going to take out a section of hair from this area, kind of like behind my ear, and a little bit from here in the front. And then for this, I'm not really sectioning off a nice and neat area of hair to braid from. You can do that if you want to, but this is gonna work for me. I'm just gonna save this piece of hair here and then try to pull out an equivalent amount of hair on this side from the same section or same area. So when I start my braid, I'm gonna start from back here. I'm not gonna start from all the way up here, because the braid is going to lay over the bun like in a crisscross. You guys will see what I mean once it's done. Just make sure not to braid like forward down towards the front of your body. Try to braid backwards, if that makes sense. Dampen my hair. Just sprayed my face. This one, I want it to look a little bit more like sleek and not so like loose and curly. So I'm gonna do this one a little bit tighter. Once again, I'm just gonna twist my hair into a bun. Since I want this one to be a little bit more secure, I'm going to be using one of my really thick hair ties. It has a way stronger hold. You can see how much less volume I have in my bun. Okay, and then for these two pieces here, I'm going to crisscross them over my bun. Bobby pins to secure it in place. And this is bun number 2, a little bit more effort, but it's worth it because it's so cute. And if you don't know how to braid, you can always do a 2-strand twist, which is super easy and it'll give you the same effect and look just as cute. So let's move on to bun number 3, the very last one. This one's extremely easy, but let me go ahead and take this out and then we'll get started. Okay, so this next bun is just going to be an accessories bun. And what I mean by that is just accessorize your bun. Today I'm going to be using some really cute clips I picked up from Ulta. These are like a big, jumbo, bold hair clips, and this is a perfect way. Yikes. Today I'm going to be using these really cute clips I got from Ulta. They are just super bold. They're flat clips, so they're going to lay flat against my head. These are very fall vibes in my opinion. I really like this cheetah one right here. I wish they had 2 of them and like got rid of this white one or whatever, but yeah, you can add clips, bobby pins in different patterns and different shapes. You can add little hair gems to your actual bun. So yeah, just accessorize your bun any way you want. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I'm gonna style my bun with these hairpins. I'm gonna change my line back to, should I change my line? Yeah, I like a side part. So I'm gonna do this side part on my hair. Another way to switch it up is like switch your part every so often, or you can even be really creative and do like those geometric box lines and zigzag designs and all that stuff for your hair. I don't know how to do any of that stuff, so a straight line is all you're gonna get from me. Barely straight, but I try. I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit more. And honestly, for any of these buns, you can like slick it down with a brush, but if you have curly hair, I think it just looks better when you don't do that, because then your bun's curly. I just think it looks nice like that. Boom, that's it. Now we're gonna just choose which ones we're gonna use. I definitely am gonna use this cheetah one. I mean, you can put them on any side. I'm gonna do this side. And I think I'm gonna do the brown one as well. Are we doing too much with 3? Let me know. I wish I had like double of them so that it could all match, but I feel like it all kind of goes together anyway. But either way, you can just mess around with it, do as many or as little as you want, do different patterns, use different types of clips and all that stuff. The whole point is to just accessorize it and have fun with it. I really love this cheetah clip and I wish I had more of them. But that is bun number 3, and that is the last bun style that I have to show you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you are subscribed before you go if you aren't already. I do post every Wednesday and Sunday, so you don't want to miss out. But that is all for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!